Debbie. I wanted to do a video today because I got a new shirt. I love my new shirt. So, good reason to have a demo. We're going to make chicken fajitas in the micro multi cooker. And this multi cooker can make a variety of things. You can use it just to make pasta, or you can use it to make rice with this attachment. Or in this one, you can make rice. Or you can use it as a steamer, and we're going to use it as a steamer today. We're going to use that as a steamer today. This basket is specially lined so no microwaves hit the food. Only the steam from the water that you put in here hits the food. This is another basket you can put something else on top. So, we're going to start with turning my phone off so nobody calls me in the middle of this. Okay, so first thing I did was I made a mess up here. No, first thing I did was the chicken with the fajita seasoning, and I put it in the season serve so that it's soaked for a little while. So you just cut little strips of chicken. You use chicken breast, so you cut strips of chicken. And then you make onions. And I forgot that everybody doesn't necessarily know how to cut up bell pepper or onion. So I'll do part of one. It won't take too long. You just cut it in half and you take these seeds out. And if you want, you can throw it in your garden and try to grow it. Nothing grows for me. I love having my kitchen right here, my Tupperware kitchen right here. So you just slice these in strips, just like the chicken is sliced in strips. And you can throw that in with the chicken. You throw it in with the chicken. I have some already in the fridge smart, so you don't have to watch me cut up a whole bunch. And then the same thing with the green bell pepper. You can use orange, green, yellow, red. The store in Waianae only had red and green, so today we're having only red and green. Oh. The same thing, you take out the seeds. Take out the seeds and slice it. And you can slice, they say the vegetables last longer if you put it in the fridge smart dirty, so you don't wash it to begin with. With my family, I have to wash it first, so they might just grab it and eat it without washing it, which I don't think would be great. Okay, so you put some bell peppers, and then you have an onion. But these will stay, and then if somebody wants to make an omelet or something, they can just grab this, chop it up, and make an omelet later. And then fajitas, I heard, need onions. I'm not an onion person. Usually I leave this kind of stuff out of the recipe, but for fajitas, you kind of need it. For the fajita, the chicken is, what I used was just, what do you call it? You know the packet in the store where you buy the chili seasoning? You just use a packet of fajita. You just use a packet of fajita seasoning. Or you can use chipotle. Or if your family has a special Mexican recipe, you can use that too. If you don't have one of these fancy micro steamers yet, the multi cookers, you can fry it. I would fry the chicken first and then add the vegetables in. So the season serve comes in the large size. I grabbed the small one. I'm not sure why I grabbed the small one, but I grabbed the small one. Hi, Tiari. Let's see if I can see when people say hi. The thing with this is it doesn't leak unless you look inside and peek. Once you peek inside, then it's gonna leak. So try not to look at it when it's cooking. Trust that it is cooking. So the chicken's already been marinating for a little while, so that it would taste better. I always seem to make quite a mess when I'm doing this. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the steamer part. This part, the multi cooker, shielded. So no microwaves hit the food at all. So you can do 12 eggs in 12 minutes in this and have perfectly cooked bakes without boiling almost. So you just put about up to this line of water. And then you put this. Hi Diana. Or Diane. And then you put in the chicken. And my assistant comes and cleans up my kitchen later. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So we have, when you cook in the regular stack cooker, you need to put it around the edges because the microwaves go in and hit the food. But with this, you don't have to. The whole thing will steam perfectly. So you can see how good it looks as I drip it all over. When you put this on and you put it in the microwave, let's see it clean as I go along. And we'll put this in. The chicken usually takes about 20 minutes to cook. And the magic of cooking demos. I used to love that when I used to watch it on TV when people would say, oh, here, we're going to do our meal. These are whole wheat tortillas. So you can just put them on the top. I just cooked this for about 20 minutes. And it is really hot. You'll see, I hope you can see the steam. You see the, oh yeah, you can see the steam. So you put this on top and it warms up the tortillas. So that's perfect. And I'll put this one in. Probably one would be enough, but then you'd have to stand there for 20 minutes while you have to stand there 20 minutes while I talk to you about Tupperware. So these cutting boards are awesome. So this is warming up. And I wanted to show you for the lean and green. Of course, I forgot to bring a plate. Hold on. How I eat my lean and green meals. I made the tortillas for my family, but these Fridge Smart are great because you can put it in and you can look at what it needs to be to keep it fresh. So on the top, you just follow the guide. So I have made romaine lettuce and a big butt. That's okay, you guys get the idea. So this is nice and warm, ready to eat. And then I want to show you how it turns out. Oh, it looks really good. It smells really good. The last time I didn't show it properly, I guess. But can you see? You see how good it cooked it. And then you just take the mixture and put it on the lettuce. If you don't want to eat the tortilla wraps, You can put the mixture on. Should have done more green bell peppers. You can put the mixture on the romaine lettuce and have fajita boats, I guess. I don't know, but it tastes good. Looks yummy, tastes yummy. And wasn't that super simple? Okay, now you can tell what I'm having for dinner tonight. I hope everybody can see it. Smells super good. And the thing is how fast it is. And you can make on the bottom you can make pasta or quinoa or I don't know, whatever you want on the bottom. In the middle you can do vegetables and in the top basket you can do fish or chicken and do it all at one time. So okay. Thank you so much for watching. I think I still haven't figured out how to turn this off. I tried one time. Alexa, stop. Or Alexis. Oh, nope. Almost. Okay. I have to turn it off this way. I'll figure it out one time. Thank you very much for watching.